Listen, everyone. Improve your English every day, wherever you want. Because in this world, there are so many people have this kind of problem that they want to fix their communication skill. But the problem is that they don't know how to do it. Because of that, they unable to do their communication skill. So here I will share something that you should do it every day for improve your communication skill, because communication skill is one of the most important things in our life that everybody should have good communication skill. Because what will you think about it, which I am going to talking, that you have money, you can get respect. But remember, there is nothing as you are thinking. If you have money, still, if you don't have good communication skill, you will unable to get respect. But if you have a good communication skill, you can earn more money. What will you think about it? Which I am telling you right now. Whether you accept or not, it doesn't matter, but it is a correct which I am telling you. So first of all, I would like to say that we have to fix our communication skill, because there are so many people have lot of money but they don't have good communication skill. Therefore, they unable to earn more money. Like tell me one thing which I am going to ask you. If you have a lot of money and you want to get a good respect, will you do that? Nothing. But that person who they don't have money but they have a good communication skill, will that person get respect? Yes, that person will surely get respect. Maybe you think that why? Because if a person have money, they can do anything. Yeah, they can do, but they can't get respect, because money can. If you have money, let me explain you that if you have money, you can buy expensive house. You can buy expensive four wheeler. You can buy everything, but you will unable to get respect. You will unable to get peaceful life. Believe me, which I am telling you, because I have to see every day that I saw that lot of rich people in this world. They have money but they don't know how to speak when someone they want to talk to them. They say that please go from here, I don't want to talk to you, you are a beggar, you are a poor man and I am a rich. They speak like they are a very what go let me say, because do you know I have some problem. Because of that problem I am unable to think properly. So let me tell you what problem I have. My problem is that I have been little bit facing something about which I don't want to talk, because it is my personal, and maybe we don't have to share anything our personal life in front of the camera. Because here I am just trying to speak. I don't know what I am speaking. Maybe if you want to improve your English, so you should speak like me. You don't have to think that what I am speaking, what uh, I am speaking, someone will watch my video, what they will think about it. So you are thinking that person they don't think about you, which you think they will, because good people watch your video and they would be perceive you that you are learning something extra things in our life. Because as you know that English is not our local language, it is an international language. And what local language we have, that is Hindi. So if you talk about me, so my local language is Bhojpuri because I am from Bihar, therefore I am telling you, you know. So guys, please, I want to forgive me and don't take mind what mistake I do. And you should also improve your English like me. If you don't have any friend, that is okay. You can speak in front of the camera and you should try to speak whatever you like. As you said that what I was speaking, whatever I know, like you can say that whatever come in my mind, I speak properly. Like I am not saying that I speak properly, but I out that things. So maybe you should also think like me and please forgive me. There is so many there are so many people have this problem because of I don't want to share and sometimes I don't know that what to speak. Still I had to speak. As today I was not willing to making video. Whether I was on week off, still I was unable to make video. Sorry guys, here I made very mistake which I should have to fix it. Because of that my audience they don't want to watch my video. I know very well that is okay. I will try to fix because I am very confused that what should I do on this situation. I will tell you everything that what problem I have in next video. So bye guys.